Self-indicating blue silica gel in mesh form is a highly effective and intelligent desiccant, designed to provide both superior moisture absorption and a clear visual indication of saturation levels. Composed primarily of amorphous silica, SiO, infused with cobalt, II, chloride, this form of silica gel is distinguished by its vibrant blue color in its active, dry state, which transitions to pink or light purple upon moisture absorption. The mesh granule size, typically ranging from 2 mm or other specified grades, ensures a high surface area and optimal airflow between particles, which enhances the desiccant's adsorption kinetics. This makes it particularly suitable for use in enclosed environments where precise humidity control is critical, such as in the protection of electronics, pharmaceuticals, optical instruments, leather goods, and food packaging. The cobalt chloride indicator acts as a built-in moisture detector, eliminating the need for external hygrometers or guesswork by allowing users to visually monitor the desiccant's condition at a glance. This not only ensures timely regeneration or replacement but also improves efficiency in quality-sensitive storage or transport conditions. Due to its self-indicating nature and physical characteristics, blue mesh silica gel is widely favored in both industrial and laboratory settings, where transparency and moisture management is essential. Its regenerable properties, typically by heating at temperatures between 100 and 120 degrees C until the original blue color returns, make it a cost-effective and environmentally practical solution for long-term use. Available in various packaging formats such as bulk drums, sachets, or breathable pouches, this form of silica gel offers excellent adaptability across multiple applications, including military-grade equipment preservation, cleanroom storage, diagnostic kits, and camera housing. While its cobalt content restricts its use in direct contact with consumables in some regulatory environments, it remains indispensable where visual moisture indication and high desiccation performance are required. The uniformity of mesh granules also ensures predictable flow properties and even distribution in automated filling systems. Overall, self-indicating blue silica gel in mesh form stands as a robust, intelligent, and responsive desiccant that combines high adsorption performance with real-time monitoring, making it an invaluable asset in environments where moisture control is not just important but mission-critical.